Hey guys, nothingwired.com, and I have the brand new Ubislate 7Ci here. It's also called Aakash 2, the successor of the very famous Aakash, which was once the cheapest tablet in the world. Now in this part of the review, I'm going to show you what's in the box. So let's get started. There you can see that's the 7-inch tablet, Ubislate 7Ci. 7 means 7-inch, C means capacitive screen. There's the manufacturer there, Datawind. So now Aakash 2 and this guy are essentially the identical tablets. Aakash 2 was known to the number of tablets that were given to university and colleges on government subsidiary rate. The same tablet is commercially available as Ubislate 7Ci. So they are only the difference of the name. So the tablet is available in these colors. I think much on this side. So you have some quick specs there. 7-inch TFT screen. You have ICS. You have a 1 GHz Cortex A8 processor. Wi-Fi, WLAN, and straight away you can see the features are much ahead in time as compared to the Aakash 1. That's the back side. So you have some apps available there. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and open the box now. Yeah, so there we go. That's the box, and that should be our tablet, nicely wrapped. There you go. Even look wise, it looks much more premium than the Aakash 1, but we'll come back to it later. We'll see what else in the box. So that's a micro USB to a USB 2.0 converter. That's full size, so that you can use your pen drive here. Then you have the data transfer cable. It should also charge the tablet. And then you have a dedicated charger and the wall adapter. So that's about it. No earphones then. Yeah, so it's light and it looks really better built than the original Aakash. But then we'll take you to a deeper hardware tour on our next part of the review. Thank you.